Hey guys, so you'll be watching me today do a takedown, wash, and reinstall. These are services that I do offer on the website, so join me as I complete my clients' full services. So this is every client's favorite part: the washing, cleansing, massaging of the scalp, getting rid of that debris from your previous install being in for so long, the relaxing of it all. So my client is natural for the most part. She just has a few scraggly ends that we need to get rid of. So we're just clipping those ends away so that she can have healthy growing hair. This is another favorite part. Every time I do this, my clients, they act like I am giving them a breath of fresh air. They be like, oh, Rhonda, that feels so good. Just to have your scalp oiled by someone else, yes, amazing. So this is a custom unit that I made for her during when we first got quarantined back in March. So she decided she wanted to go ahead and utilize that custom unit. So that's what we're installing on her today. So we're just gonna toss a few curls in there. She don't want anything super curly. She just wants just a little few curls tossed in there here and there. So the hair featured in this video, of course, is Kainovi Luxury, and this is the Brazilian body wave. It takes really well to color, lifting and depositing color. So this is the finished look, and my client is loving it. I'm just gonna apply some finishing touches to her hair. Like I said, this is a custom 4x4 unit using Kainovi Luxury hair. My client absolutely loved it. She was so happy to be able to utilize her custom unit that she had made in March. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, thumbs up, and subscribe.